Hey guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a YouTube logo in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search to Google. Log into your Canva account. After logging in, you can see here a search bar, right? Just right here, YouTube logo, and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many YouTube logo templates. You can see here, right? So all is free for you. You have just to choose one and start customizing by yourself. So I'm going to show you how to choose and customize. Obviously choose one logo which is relevant to your channel or which is relevant to your thoughts and choice preference. Okay, so let's choose one. Let's say you are a blogger and you want to make a so now if you want to customize this blog, just go to customize this template. Then you can see here your logo. You can customize it every portion, like I'm saying. You can customize this. If you want to customize this template, just click on this and go backspace from your keyboard. It will be removed and you can undo it by clicking here undo. And if you want to change the color, background color, just click on this. You can see here many colors. Just press and you will find colors. Choose a color. It will be like this. Okay guys, everything you can change. If you want to change this total background color, the blue background color, just click on this and go to background color, and you can change your background color like this. You can choose any background color. Okay, so now if you want to change this name, Julia Sylvia, double click, press backspace, it will be removed, and now write your name. Double click on this, and if you want to change the color, just go to text color here, and you can find many colors. Just choose one color which is relevant to you. I'm choosing black. Okay, so if you want to add something here, like in this space, how you can add it, go to text and you can see here many text. Or if you want to add custom text, right here, add a heading. It will be like here. If you want to move it, press, if when you see this cursor, just click, hold, and you can drag it like this. Okay, so if you want to change the text, double click, backspace, it will be removed, and write your text like welcome to the blog. Now if you want to change this, just decrease thing, it will be decrease automatically. Okay, so if you want to change the background color, text color, double click like I show you before, choose any color. Sorry, it will be blocked. Okay, now after completing your work, how you can download it or save it, go to share. You can see here download, click on download and it will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share it with someone, go here, collaborate link, choose this, anyone with the link, then write here your email address @gmail.com. After giving your email address, click on send. After clicking on send, this work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can make a logo for your YouTube channel in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.